Hello traders, good morning, good afternoon and good evening depending upon your time zone. My name is Mohammed Azim and welcome to ReadyForex.com New York Forex trading session. I'm going to present Elliot Wave Analysis and Forex Forecast. I mainly use Elliot Wave to trade and forecast the market. I also teach Forex day trading systems as well. There are different trading strategies that I teach, and if you are interested to learn, you can check out my website. There are different ways to communicate with me as well. Started first, let's go over to a chart of different forex pairs and see what's going on. This this is the chart of Euro USD currency pair. Okay, buy limit pending order. Let me tell you what's the level. The level that is set up is 1.13, 1.1385, and hopefully price action is going to hit this level. I do have a stop loss in place as well. So this is my buy limit pending order in euro dollar currency pair. These are the past trades at the bottom of the screen. This is a trading account history. Earlier today I closed a buy that was a small setup, and market moved about 25 to 26 pips in my favor. So from that move I think I managed to catch 13 or 14 pips profit. Then I closed the trade. Anyways, let's go over to other charts. And so euro USD, the way I see euro dollar currency pair, it's most likely going to drop. That's the way how I see. And then expect a bullish leg inside euro dollar currency pair. So inside a 4-hour time frame, we have these two support levels. Market is most likely going to test the next support area, and then it's quite possible we might get a bottom in price action of euro dollar currency pair. So let's go over to a 4-hour time frame. So the trend is still down. It's a bearish downtrend going on over here. And let's see. Okay, got the question. Can it also be used as yes. Yes, you can use Elliott Wave to analyze spot forex pairs. You can use it on metals like platinum, nickel, copper, aluminum, spot gold, spot silver, and you can even trade the US 10-year treasury. You can trade the bond market, you can trade the indices, you can trade the cryptocurrency pairs as well. Okay, so there are different things that you can do. You can use the Elliott wave to trade the stock market as well. Okay, euro USD price action is falling down, and I expect further weakness in price action. The way I see dollar is most likely going to break below this old swing low. So 1.1400, this is the level. Market is most likely going to break through it, and I put put in my buy limit pending order below this low at 1.1385. Over here, stop loss is down over here. Okay. Next, let us take a look at US dollar index. US dollar index is firing up over here, and the way I see, I expect further upside in DX. So the DX looks bullish. However, we are most likely going to get some kind of a pullback in market first. So over here, DX has printed a new high, and I think it might go up a little bit more before we get a drop, a sizable decline inside US dollar index. Okay. Let's go to pound. Pound is going down as well. It has taken out all of these round numbers. Now it's hitting this buy zone area, this green color highlighted area. This is the buy zone over here, and you can use trade setups. You can use different bullish chart patterns, meaning, you know, if you do get a pattern, then you can look for potential buy trade setups. Otherwise, if price action just keep falling down, let it fall. Okay, so it's probably going to drop even more, and then we get some kind of a bottom over here. Okay. Next one, let us take a look at AUDUSD currency pair, Aussie dollar. The way I see AUDUSD currency pair is most likely going to rise up. It is going to most likely test this broken trend line. So over here, let me change the color of this trend line to blue over here. Okay. So the way I see Aussie dollar is probably going to move sideways and then expect further upside. Okay, as far as the 1 hour chart is concerned, it is still a downtrend. Okay, you see market tries to create a false breakout over here. That's a failure right over here. So the way I see Aussie dollar is most likely going to drop more, and then I expect a bullish leg or bullish price action. Side AUD/USD currency pair. Next one is the New Zealand dollar Kiwi. So it took out this support area 0.5902 level. So this is telling me that the uptrend is over. So if Aussie dollar is going down, also expect a decline inside New Zealand dollar versus US dollar currency pair. However, market isn't going to drop in a straight line fashion. You are most likely going to get some kind of a bullish pullback, which is going to provide us some sort of a sell pattern or a bearish trade setup right up there. Next one, 1 hour time frame. So you see market just keep printing lower swing highs and lower swing lows. If I do a simple technical analysis, you can draw a trend line over here which is bearish. Here's another one. So simple downtrend going on. There's no need to look for a buy, or if there's a buy setup emerging in higher time frame, then that might be a good idea to look for that. So US dollar Swiss franc. Now daily time frame of USD Swiss franc price action rallied up nicely. I'm looking for some sort of a pullback. We might not get a pullback today. So the way I see market is probably going to rise up more than expected drop, and then it's going to rise up even further. So my forecast is bullish overall inside US dollar Swiss franc. The long-term forecast is obviously bearish. It's a downtrend in US dollar Swiss franc, but in a 4 hour time frame it's an uptrend. Next one is the US dollar Swiss franc 1 hour chart. So overall you see price action just keep printing higher swing highs and higher swing lows. So it's a nice uptrend going on. Next one is the spot gold XAUUSD pair. Now the gold is probably going to drop more. It looks bearish, and we have a support down over here at 2955.9566 area. So spot gold, it's going to move sideways, a bullish pullback, and then market is probably going to resume the decline. Okay. Next one is the 4 hour. So I presented earlier today inside the London market session that we have two wave counts. Both suggest overall decline inside XAU USD pair. However, the way I see it is probably going to rise up tomorrow, behaving at this point in time. Okay, just a reminder, if you like my analysis, smash the like button as well. Okay, next one is the US dollar CAD currency pair daily time frame. USD CAD is trying to rise up over here. The way I see USD CAD could provide us a drop, and then that pullback is basically going to provide us some sort of a buying chance over here. Regarding the 4 hour time frame, this is the support area at 1.3797 area. So as long as price action is staying above 1.3797 area, I think market is going to rise up even further. So let's just take a look at a Fibonacci retracement level. So let me adjust this one. This is a clean, nice uptrend going on inside US dollar CAD currency pair. Some people call it loony. Anyways, the thing is, I'm looking for a drop in price action of USD CAD currency pair at or around 0.2 level. Okay, let me rectangle. So this is the area, the spot. Next one. Now I must explain a little bit that do not just jump into the market just because price action is going to hit the Fibonacci support area at 1.3752, which is the 0.32% of Fibonacci level. The idea over here is to wait for a pullback at or around these Fibonacci retracement levels. So when you do get a pullback in price action, what you can do is you can use my day trading strategies, which I teach online, or you can use some of your own trading strategies. If you do not have a trading strategy, then I would suggest you to learn at least 2 or 3 profitable trading strategies. Do not jump into the market just because you think price action is going to rise up or price action is going to drop. You need to have a clear entry and exit strategy. So once you open a trade, you know where you are going to close the trade as well. Because it's very easy, you can right click, open a trade, but the question is how you are going to exit the market, and that is very important in trading. Okay. Next one is the US dollar JPY. So we got the bullish breakout. We did not get a close over here, but the way I see this is a clear bullish breakout now above 149.54 area. Now we got this overlapping wave structure. This looks like to me we got a double zigzag pattern, and I will try to upload a separate video on US dollar versus Japanese yen currency pair later today when I end this live stream. So USDJPY is going up, but it is going to provide us a pullback, and the pullback is basically going to provide us a chance to join an uptrend. So if you take a look at 4-hour time frame, price action isn't backing down, just keep going up over here. Let me adjust the support area. So the support is right up there, 148.49. Let me edit this thing, 148.49. Go back again, 148.49. So this is the level, and as long as price action is staying above 148.49 level. It is an uptrend. Now it means that this could fall around this support area, okay, and this provides us a potential, buy set trading chance or buy zone, whatever you want to name it. Okay, so regarding the US dollar yen, I think market is firing up, but it is probably going to print a top and then it's going to drop as well. Let me check out what's going on with euro. Okay, euro is still a bit away from my buy limit pending order. It's still a bit away. So we will see how the euro is going to react once it hit that level. Okay, next US dollar yen currency pair. If you check out the 1 hour time frame, let's go to the 1 hour chart. You can see the rainbow trading strategy. It's providing us a nice pullback over here and then a bounce back up in the market. So all of those who use the rainbow trading strategy, hopefully they are long in USD yen currency pair and they account in profit as well. Next one is the GBPJPY currency pair. My preferred Elliot wave count suggests price action is going to rise up more inside GBPJPY currency pair. It's a high probability. Let us take a look at one more chart of GBPJPY currency pair. Let me open up a chart. So go to a 4 hour time frame and let me change the template, go over to the rainbow. So you see it's a clear uptrend going on, and this is telling me that market wants to go up even further. It's a nice uptrend inside GBP. If you check out the 1 hour time frame, price action was trying to go lower, but now I think the 1 hour is going to change its direction. Let us take a look at 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes chart, the rainbow is turning up. Let us take a look at 5 minutes. 5 minutes is already bullish, and we got multiple buy trading chances with this rainbow trading strategy inside GBPJPY 5 minutes time frame, and it's firing up, and the way I see it, it is going to rise up even further. Okay, so it's a volatile market, and the way I see the high time frame trend is also bullish. Now the alternative Elliott wave count, also known as the plan B, suggests we could get a drop in price action of GBPJPY currency pair, but that's a low probability wave count, which is probably not going to work. Next one is the WTI crude oil. Crude oil is going up on a short-term basis, and I'm basically expecting a pullback inside 4 hour time frame of WTI crude oil. So it's quite possible that market is going to create a pullback at or around this support level, which was working as a resistance up here. So this was the resistance level. Let me draw an arrow to point out. So this was the resistance, and now the same area is most likely going to provide support for the oil. So the way I see, crude oil is going to drop a little bit, and we might get a test of 68.32 level, and then market is probably going to rise up one more time. Okay, so we will see how it goes in oil. We can draw a simple trend line over here. So 68.30, and let me hit the blue. Okay, so somewhere around this area we might get a retest, and then from this price level crude oil is probably going to rise up more. Okay. So 68.30, that's the level over here. Next, let us take a look at spot silver. Okay, silver is going down like the euro dollar, the Aussie dollar, along with the spot gold as well. So silver, I would say the trend is up on a long-term basis, but on a short-term basis, it seems to me the market is going to drop. Okay, so on a short-term basis, uh, price action is going to drop a little bit more. Expect a pullback, and then market is going to drop even further. So this is most likely going to be wave 4. After wave 4 pullback, market is most likely going to rise up to print bullish wave 5 impulse Elliott wave leg in coming trading days. This is the daily chart, and let us take a look at XD USD pairs. So right now price action is hitting this buy zone area. We got this long tail candlestick over here. Let me zoom in a little bit. This is the 4-hour time frame. So we got this long tail candlestick. Look how market is reacting at this buy zone area. This nice bullish leg over here, about 45 pips move, then market dropped again. Here's another one, it's about 58 pips move over here. Okay, so this is the current analysis, and let me see what's going on. So far the euro is still trying to reach the buy limit pending order. If I go back to the chart of euro USD, the long-term chart over here, so this is the zone over here that we actually have right now. Market is most likely going to test this level. Okay, this is the area in euro dollar currency pair. Regarding the 10-year treasury yield analysis, I don't have it with my current broker, so I can't analyze it. Okay, let me see. Any questions or any comments? Or if you need a forecast in any other trading instrument, especially the spot forex pairs, then type inside the chat box and I will be happy to answer your questions. Okay, I think that's pretty much it for today from my side. And regarding the USDJPY, I will upload a separate video later today. Let us take a look at smaller time frame. So you see euro it's going sideways. We got a rally, then we got a drop in price. Now market might tries to rise back up again, and we might get another bearish leg to the downside. Well, if you want to say thank you, you're welcome, and hit the like button as well if you like the live stream. I try to do live stream on a daily basis. Let us take a look at pound, because pound was going down. Hopefully it is going to find some support over here. This is the buy zone in pound, and usually what happens is when the GBPUSD currency pair print a bottom, you also get a bottom with euro dollar currency pair and Aussie dollar and the New Zealand dollar. Those pairs, those spot forex pairs, they also create a bottom as well. Sometimes the pound dollar actually leads. It prints a bottom early, and then the rest of the pairs, they follow it. So if you check out the DX, the DX is firing up, and we even got a new high over here. So this is telling me it is going to put up the pressure on euro dollar currency pair. Okay. Okay, that's it for the time being from my side, and I will probably do the next session tomorrow, the London market session. So from my